Hello and welcome back to the channel for all of you who have previously viewed here, and welcome to any newcomers. Devin with 605 Sports Cards here. Today we have another video of some fun with slabs here. So SGC, I sent 11 cards in. I got it pre-cut, ready to go to check out these Tuxedos. As you know, SGC is kind of who I grade with. I might try out PSA this off season for football, since people aren't playing. The wait times aren't quite as bad to sit through when you don't have players getting hurt and stuff. So I will be doing a personal collection submission at some point to SGC. That's who I'm gonna do all my personal ones with, but these are 11 of the cards I decided to send off. Oh shit, isn't that tight? So here we go. A little invoice. Everything's nice and rubber band up here. Pull it off camera. Yeah, I gotta take off these rubber bands without showing off all the grades right away or spilling them everywhere. All right, I think we should have them together. So I have 11 cards here. Some of them are decent for what their value will be if they grade well. Other ones are kind of mid-level, some $10 to $20 cards. Just stuff I thought was cool and would look good in the slab, and the cards obviously look good. If you watched my last video, I talked about maybe doing a video on how I go through grading stuff. Again, let me know. And let me know if any of you guys use SGC or if you just prefer PSA, because that's kind of where the hobby still is. Even though I'm hoping at some point SGC kind of moves up or gets even with PSA. So let's quit talking and let's check out these slabs and start having some fun. So our first one, this is the Bryce Young, it looks like. And it is a 9.5. So not bad. I mean, that's pretty good. This one was really tough to tell. I just really kind of went off with the Panthers and Bryce Young in, and you kind of hope that was where close to centering was, left to right, top to bottom. Same thing with the bottom of the name and the rookie plate is what I was kind of judging off of. And then obviously checking your corners, surface scratches. My guess is if it's not a 10, I mean corners, everything look good, it's maybe just a little far right to left here from the centering would be my guess. Looks like just a little more room over here off my eyeball. But so there's the back. So not too bad. Happy with that. Obviously you want a 10, but still super short print. Really cool micro mosaic of Bryce Young there. I don't know where I'm gonna put my big sleeves for these. Gonna need them. Here we go. I don't think they put them all, from the feel of it, into this bags here. Those are team bags. All right, who got them now? Here we go. Get our slab bag ready here. I try to put them in these so they don't get all scratched up as soon as I get them out here. And here is another nice, probably my only real good hit out of the Donruss Mega boxes. It was a Sam Laporta. Unfortunately, just a 9. But again, I'm shooting for 9 and above when I send these in. Maybe just a little bit more right than left. Really hard to tell. I mean, it looks like a really clean card. Didn't see any surface damages. Corners are really sharp. So, yeah, I don't know. Got a 9. Good looking card. I mean, Sam Laporta's playing really good rookie season. So, not going to complain about that at all. Get him into his sleeve bag so she stays nice and clean. Don't get all dirty. For hopefully someone that would like to purchase this guy. So if you want to know, hit me up in the comments. All this stuff I believe is mostly for sale. I got a couple I'm going to hang on to. Just Bryce Young will probably be one. See how his next season goes. And there's a couple other I'll probably hang on to. So here we go, is a Kenneth Walker. And a 9.5 on this is really good. These are really tough to grade. And I sent this one just because it looked really good. There might be a little bit Little something on the corner, but with these thicker mem cards, they are tough to grade. So this is my first mem card I've sent in. Comes in a little different, a little thicker. But 9.5 on the Kenneth Walker rookie out of 299 autograph with you know, little patch. Do with that what you will. Not my thing. I'd rather just have a little more card maybe. But I'm not upset with a 9.5 on a thick card. That's kind of tough to do on a lot of these. It doesn't want to fit in these sleeves at all. So these are made for SGC slabs, but not mem cards apparently. So there it is. Good looking card. Had a pretty good season, so we better separate these out. We don't have any 10s yet. Got a couple 9.5s and 9s. All right, next card. Oh, this is a really nice one, and it graded a 10. So this is the Anthony Richardson Honeycomb. So that is probably the top card that I sent in. These look really good in the orange honeycomb or goldish color. Nice looking card. Graded a 10. Like I said, it looked very centered. No scratches. Looked real clean. So probably this is the top card that I sent in. I don't think I've had anything below a 9 since my first time sending in my own graded cards. So I feel like we've gotten better, and hopefully that holds up this time. But yeah, that's a nice look. These honeycombs are sweet. I did have one more, but it sold at our local card show this weekend. One more, I think it was Evan Ingram or something. Nothing big, just. But hey, that looks really good on the black border. Very nice. Our first 10. Put the 10 over here on its own. And let's get to our next one. And it is another autograph. Unfortunately, a 9. Yeah, I thought it was thicker, but it is a plates and patches, so it is a little thicker stock card. Has the indentation on the back here, so a little thicker stock again. I mean, a 9 is where I'm hoping to get on anything. It looked really good. Corners look sharp. Again, I don't know. I didn't see no surface errors. But hey, I feel like SGC, they grade well. They don't just hand out 10s. I feel like they're very reputable company. That's why I grade with them. The $15 per card doesn't matter. They don't upcharge for bigger cards. They don't upcharge for autographs, obviously. And this isn't like a big, this is out of 75. Not a big card, but Plexico Burris is a cool card. And I think it deserved a sleeve. I don't have really Plexico Burris stuff. So, again, I'm not attached to it, but nice card. And here we go. We have a drip of Christian Gonzalez that is a 10. So this is the case hit at a Prestige. They look really nice. It's kind of a canvas. As far, I don't know what, I mean, you have to have some really bad scratches, I feel like, because it is a canvas texture, as you can see. To have like a surface damage, that would mess that up. I don't really know how you'd go across that. Print line is probably pretty obvious, I feel like, on those. So Christian Gonzalez drip, a 10. So now we have two 10s. We got two of everything. Two 9s, two 9.5s, two 10s. Hopefully we keep adding to the 10 stack. But this, you know, unfortunately he had his injury early in the season. He was looking really good. Hopefully he comes back. Probably one I'll hang on to for at least the start of next season. Very nice card. And I like my defensive players and my linemen and stuff. Here we go. This is Zay Flowers Draft Day. And it is another 9. On-card auto, so I really want to get it slabbed up. Corners maybe a little soft. Nothing terrible. I mean, surface errors on this I feel like would be pretty easy to see. I have this bright light up here. There it is. Doesn't look like much on the camera, but in person it really makes anything pop. If you're gonna send grade cards, definitely get yourself not something a little better than just like your house lights. You want kind of a LED lamp or something above you. When you point that light into it, it really shows any imperfections. Again, hoping for a 9 lowest. We're still sticking with it. We did a little better on last ones, but this one I did have more thick cards that are tougher to get 10s on. And yeah, to the 9 pile. As long as that's all further we have to go over. No more, nothing lower than 9. And we have a Sam Laporta Blue Optic, and it got a 10. These are really good looking cards. Nothing super. I did see one sell for like 175 or so. That was a PSA 10. I don't know if they'll stick there very long, but it's a cool card. The blue scope looks really good, and it looks really good with obviously the Lions color. So we get to add another 10 to our pile. I sent 2 of these in, so we'll see how the other one did. They looked pretty similar to me, so hopefully it stays about the same there. Cool card. Obviously, hey, for sale if you're interested. In the comments, I gotta remember to put my eBay link on. But yeah, let's see. I don't know if I had them in order or what we got next. It is the same card, and it is the exact same card apparently. So we got another 10. Sam Laporta, the first one. Unfortunately, the autograph is the one I was really hoping to gem 10, but hey, these are good looking cards. They'll look good in anybody's Detroit Lions collection. Fans are rightfully so pretty excited about what they got going on. It's been a rough few decades. So there you go, another 10 Sam Laporta on the Optic Preview Blue Scope. Much prefer this over the pinks and stuff that they put on. I'm not a big fan of the pink parallels. Not my color, I guess. So I think we got 2 left, and this one is the Amon-Ra Optic Rookie out of the premium set. So they call it the Prism Wave at $2.99, a 9.5. I had a Waddle I was thinking about sending in as well, but it looked off-centered. And this one, I mean, could be just a little bit to the left, a little lighter. Just a little more room on the right, but cool card. I guess this is kind of a Lions. Didn't even notice that, but it's kind of a Lions box. Sent this off on January 5th, I think. I think it was January 5th. Just got it back the 23rd as a day I'm recording this. That's when it came back. So 3-week turnaround, pretty good time. And there you go. I was hoping to have it just before the weekend since I did have the card show to go to, but we got another big one coming February, and I'll probably list some of these on eBay. Or if you're interested, hit me up in the comments. See what we can do. So another 9.5. I think we're still a little heavier on the 10s. We got 4 10s. And here's our last card. It is already bagged. Still got rubber band stuck on it. And this is a Joe Burrow 2023 Razzle Dazzle, and it is going to finish off with a 10. So one I'm going to hang on to, injured. See how they do next year. I like the Razzle Dazzles this year. Really good looking cards. I think this one was going for 80 or so raw, so I don't know what a 10 is. But a good looking card. So, hey, we got 5 of the 11 or 10 gem mints, so that's not too bad in my opinion. And nothing below a 9 again, so we're on 2 submissions in a row. We'll start over here at the 9s. A little quick peek. I'm not going to go through them all, but they are all 3 the autographs, unfortunately. So 3 autos, all got 9s. Bummer. Good looking cards. Still a 9 adds a little value, and you know, if someone wants them, they're protected, ready to go. 9.5 with one of them being the auto, a case hit, and a premium set. Yeah, the guy had the whole set. I just kind of went through and picked out what rookies were left at the card show to send in, and it looked good. And here's our 10s. Joey B. 2 Sam Laporta Blue Optics, or Blue Scopes. A drip, and our big cards going to 10. Anthony Richardson on the honeycomb. Very cool cards. So that'll do it for this episode of Fun with Slabs. I want to thank you for joining me, and I hope to catch you guys on the next one. Leave a comment, like, subscribe if you already haven't. I really appreciate it, and good luck ripping to you guys.